Here's the question every sales and finance team needs to answer. Did we deliver and bill everything we sold? In SAP, that answer is spread across the sales, delivery and billing tables. Let me show you how they fit together and where your revenue might be stuck. A single sales order touches more than 20 tables on its way to cash. If you've already seen our SAP sales and distribution data model, you'll see we've mapped all of it so you don't need to. Here's the whole thing on one screen, laid out as the order to cash lifecycle. Sales order, delivery, invoice. One flow reading live from SAP on the permissions I already have. It starts with the order tables. VBAK is the header and VBAP the line items joined on the document number. Then the delivery header and lines linked back to each order line so we know what was actually shipped. And for the invoicing, VBRK and VBRP linked back to the order line so we know what was actually billed. Now all three sides sit together, ordered, delivered and billed. We can also add in customer master details for the name and address, all in the same flow. And now the real benefit of it all. I run the flow and the order to cash data lands in Power BI live with no staging database in between. Here's the reconciliation line by line, what was ordered, what was delivered and what was billed. On this order, everything's shipped and everything was billed, so it's complete. In one view, your sales and finance teams can see what's complete, what's still open for shipping, and most importantly, what's been delivered but not yet billed. I can filter straight to the exception lines, where what we delivered doesn't match what we billed. That's revenue we've earned and not yet collected. And because it all sits side by side, I can see the complete open order book. And I can go deeper. This detail page pulls a specific order's deliveries and invoice lines straight from SAP, so I can see exactly where that one order stands from delivery right through to billing. Power BI is just one way to see this. Here's the same reconciliation as a web page. The tiles show ordered, delivered and billed, and flag the exceptions that need attention. I can filter to just the unbilled, and when I click into an order, it reads all the deliveries and invoice lines straight back from SAP right now. Same governed data straight from SAP in whatever front end suits your team. And a note on how this app was built. I didn't have to write and code it myself. I developed and tested it interactively with Claude as my AI assistant. Claude never sees any of my SAP data to do it. It works only from the flow's column names, the metadata, so your live data stays between the app, the flow tool and SAP. All of this runs through the standard SAP application layer. Nothing touches the database directly and there's no custom app for you to write. So, back to the question we started with. Did we deliver and bill everything we sold? Now your team can answer that in seconds in the tools they already use. With DVW you can read SAP data into any analytics or data platform and write back too. Start a free trial and see your own orders from sales to cash end to end.